everybody. Let's get out our sound blending packet today. Now that we've learned the letter M and the sound that it makes, we're going to be reading some words that use that letter inside them. Now turn the page and you should see page number 25 here in the bottom corner. And if you remember, sometimes in our words that we blend, some of them are silly words or nonsense words. They help us sound out words so that we practice the sounds of each letter. So these first couple rows are going to be some silly words, but they're going to help us when we blend. Get your reading finger ready, and here we go. M, am, am, em, em, im, am, am, an, on, in. Now that row had some words, didn't it? Even though they only have 2 letters, those are very important words. We use them a lot when we talk and when we write. And sometimes we even say, when we're thinking of what to say next. Let's move on to row 3. Add, mad, mud, an, man, en, men, et, met. I bet you know this word. Mom, ham, him, hum, mums. Mums are a kind of a flower, the big word for chrysanthemums. Now there are 2 words here that would rhyme, or maybe I'll say this. Find the word that rhymes with mum. Put your finger on it. Read it with me. Hum, mum. Let's go to the last row. Tom, Tim, ram, rim. The rim is like a basketball hoop. The circle part is called the rim. And on the top of a glass, that part is also called the rim. And let's do the last word. Ran. Put your finger on a name. What was your clue? The uppercase T? And some of you might have put your finger on this name too. Good job. Turn the page. Now we're on page 26. Reading fingers ready. And here we go. Him, im, trim, slim, slim, slam, slam, clam, clam. Which word rhymes with clam? Right, slam. What do you notice about these 3 words? Right, they all rhyme. What else? They all have I-M. They have a word family, im. Say them with me. Him, trim, slim. Could you hear the rhyme? Good work. Row 2. gum. Hum. Ham. Glum. If someone is glum, they are sad. Drum. Now in this row, one word does not rhyme. Put your finger on the word that does not rhyme with the rest. Did you find the word ham? Good work. If you notice, the other words have um, but this is am. Say these rhyming words with me. Gum, hum, glum, drum. Let's go to the next row. Mend. That means to fix something. Usually I think of sewing, mending a hole in your socks. Melt. Mess. Mint. Smell. Do any of these words rhyme? No, there are no rhyming words in this row. Mug. Mist. Must. Crust. Trust. Name the two words that rhyme with trust. Say them with me. Trust, crust, must. Can you hear the ust in each of these rhyming words? Good. Now if I look at the last row, these words look really big, don't they? Well, don't be scared off by them. We can do it. We know all the sounds that these letters make. We are able to read these words. I'll help you. Let's work on it together. Magnet. Magnet. Did you see the little word net inside? Have any of you played with magnets before? How they stick to things that are metal? All right, let's try the next word. Muffin. There's a baby word right there too. In. Who had a muffin for breakfast today? Was it blueberry? Chocolate chip? Sounds yummy. Two more words. Here we go, boys and girls. Mitten. Mitten. And the last word. Helmet. Good work. So when words look really big, boys and girls, don't be scared and think, I can't read those. Look at the word and the letters, and I bet you'll say, hey, I know these sounds. And if you blend those sounds together, you can read those big words. Good job, boys and girls. Keep practicing these words so that you can read them very smoothly. The idea is to be able to read them just like this. Magnet, muffin, mitten, helmet. See if you can do that too. Good job. I'll see you next time. Goodbye, boys and girls.